Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and it's another Meet the Flower. Alright you guys, welcome back to another Meet the Flower, and today's flower is none other than the lovely Artie. Well, technically his name is Artichoke, but we gave him a nickname immediately, and his name is Artie. Are we weird that we, I feel like our flowers have personalities and like we name them to their personalities. So anywhoosies, let's jump into it. I love Artie so much and I hope you do too after you get to see how lovely he dip dyes. All right, I'm just gonna stop gushing. Let's jump into it. Now, Artie is probably one of the easiest flowers to use as a succulent. Ooh, as I spill green paint all over myself. Oh, you didn't see that on camera. Good deal. To create this green color that is before you, I used watermelon, just a really small splash of noir, and then also a small splash of night sky, just to bring out a little bit more of a blue undertone on that. So we're gonna do this real quick. And then we'll also use a couple other colors just so you can kind of see what can all happen with Artie. That just dip dye. Artie was named Artie because it reminded me of an artichoke and has become a fan favorite for succulent inspired type flowers. So loving it. Oh, I need to clean my hands. Son of a gun. Oh, there we go. I do have paper towel here. Yay. So let's grab two other colors. I've got a yellow, which is our summer yellow. And then the purple is Berry Blast. So just so you can see the difference of a couple different, like a lighter tone and a darker toned color. And these weren't mixed with anything else besides water. And I actually didn't even put any glycerin in them, but you can put glycerin in there too. Typically these I dip dye. I don't normally hand paint these. Airbrushing could be a lot of fun though too. So the lighter colors, that bark detail is really gonna pop for some fun interest. It's really showing up on that green one too. I can't wait to see what that looks dried. Oh my gosh, we got Mardi Gras colors going, and that wasn't intentional, but I'm not mad about it. All right, there we go. Get it all in there. Oh, lovely, lovely Artie. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need to dip dye him one more time. That's where we kind of scoop up the paint and shake her off. All right, there's that. So we'll let these dry and show you the results. All right, you guys, there you have it. The lovely Artie that makes up awesome succulent, but also just a really fun, interesting detail, a little bit different, and adds a little texture that you weren't necessarily expecting to find in a bouquet. I love Artie so much. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you go grab some Arties and share with us in Instagram, Facebook, wherever, your new creations. If you're loving these videos, can't get enough, want to know when the next one goes live, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to find out about the 150 style solo wood flowers, along with craft supplies and greenery. Go to ohyourelovely.com, but before you do, hold up, let me give you something. Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. I'll see you right here for another Meet the Flower. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye guys.